I welcome you in today's topic, how to prepare yourself to become a wonderful speaker. Friends, it is rightly said, if you can imagine something, you can achieve that in your external world. If you can dream that, you can exactly become that. So, if you want to become a wonderful speaker, then what you have to do? Today, I am going to tell you that secret. Are you ready? Okay, so let's move on. So tell me one thing. When you want to achieve something, when you want to become something, what do? Number one, you create that imagination in your mind. You create that visual, what exactly you want to become. And yes, when you create that visual in your mind, when you give that visual a proper energy, then universe works for you to make you, to give you your outcome. And there is a formula for that. It is just a small kind of meditation. So get ready. Either you can sit or you can stand. And the formula is BCR. To make your imagination successful. Right? So when you are standing or you are sitting, you have to do some deep breathings. Deep breathings in a way like you inhale from your nose and you exhale from your mouth. When you inhale from your nose, you hold your breath for about 4-5 seconds and then you exhale from your mouth. So when you breathe, when you do that deep breathing, you have to focus on your breathing. Right? So inhale from your nose, hold it, and exhale from your mouth. Very good. Now do it once again. Inhale, hold it, and exhale from your mouth. Now when you inhale, you have to imagine that you are inhaling the light. You are inhaling the freshness. And when you exhale the heaviness, tension, any stress from your mind over the body. You exhale that from your mouth. Now do that once again. Inhale, hold it, and exhale. Very good. You've done a wonderful job. Now close your eyes. Good. Now once again, do deep breathings, and with every breath, you are moving into the relaxed mode. Wow, great! You are doing a wonderful job. Now, imagine yourself that you are walking towards the stage, and you can clearly see that stage. Now, look at the color of the stage and the floor. See the clothes you are wearing, your shoes. Now, you've reached on the stage and now you are holding the mic in your hand. Wow! Get the feeling of holding the mic. How are you feeling? Now, imagine yourself that you are giving a speech. You are standing straight. You have a smile on your face. Bring that smile on your face now. And see the audience who are sitting there. They are listening to you carefully. And you are delivering your speech with full confidence. Amazing. Amazing. Now, when you complete your speech, imagine the audience are shouting, they are clapping for you, they are whistling, and they are shouting your name. Yes, 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 we want to listen to you once again. Listen to the sound of that clapping. Loudly, people are shouting there. They just want to listen to you. Wow, amazing. And you are just smiling. You are living that moment now. Amazing. Keep listening the sound of the clapping of those audience in your mind and tell yourself, yes, I am living this moment now. Feel the smell which is there in that environment. Amazing. Intensify your feelings and tell yourself, yes, I am awesome. I am great. Yes, I have done it. Yes, I have done it. And I'm going to live this moment again in my real life. Thank those people. Thank the stage. Thank the mic. Thank that environment. And thank your imagination. Great. Now, slowly start listening to the sounds in your environment. Start moving your fingers. Start moving your shoulders. And slowly, on a count of 1, 2, and 3, open your eyes. Wow. Now, you have to do this exercise every day. Choose a time. If you will do it while going to sleep, it will be great. And keep doing this exercise. It will bring a wonderful confidence in you to become a powerful speaker. Thank you so much for listening to me. Good luck.